Alrighty, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Anthony here, Good House Floor Care. We're down here in Harrisburg, North Carolina to do a restretch in multiple areas. This client here was referred to us by the neighbor right over there, right there, Mrs. Lovelace. She had us restretched her whole house last year and referred us across the street to her neighbor. So we're here today to take care of these needs, these carpet needs. Let me take you guys inside. Check out the new Good House Mobile. It's getting set up. Each and every day we're getting a little bit closer to getting set up. It's a work in progress. Let's find out where we want to keep everything. But it's starting to look pretty darn good. We'll get it lettered soon, another wrap, and that's the new Good House Mobile. Let me take you guys inside and show you what we're up against today. All right, multiple areas. And that's it. A little in the primary bedroom. All right, stay tuned. I'll show you the results. Alrighty guys, feast your eyes on this. Remember all those wrinkles? They're all gone. All over here, they're all gone. Here, they're all gone. Everything's all gone. Look how good this looks. Just needs a good cleaning. All these wrinkles that were here, they're all gone. Over here, they're all gone. Raise back to your vacuuming. There was a bad one over here at the doorway. That's all done. That's how we do it here at Good House. We take pride. Everything's all flat, looking new again. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.